Today we're showing you a 2019 John Deere 4044M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 400E front-end loader. Tractor has just under 20 hours on it. Tractor is practically in new condition. This tractor is a local unit. The fella that owned this tractor died, and his widow basically had no use for the tractor, so it's set for a little bit, and then we bought the tractor from that widow. So that is the story on the tractor, on the reason why it doesn't hardly have any hours on it. And again, just under 20 hours, and it looks like a brand new tractor. The bucket here doesn't look like it's been used. Has the paint still on the pins here. Roll guard up front, and again, it is the 400E loader. Loader joystick right there within easy reach. It does have the hydrostat transmission with the twin pedals. You still see the pips on the tires. Top link stabilizers, drawbar, PTO, everything is here. It does come with a balance of the factory warranty. I believe it runs in 2026. Just about as close to new as we're going to be able to find for you. Again, just under 20 hours on the tractor. Looks like the warranty runs into March of 2026. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at masttractor.com.